Hey, check this out, a ringtail cat. I always feel bad not being able to give people a super straight answer that covers all of skulls. Truth is, there is no straight answer that covers all skulls. But you're interested in cleaning those up and you don't have the resources, this is the easiest way to do it for all small game animals or birds. Mason jar maceration. Skin it, whatever it is, in this case it's a ringtail cat. Get off as much meat and tissue as you can, drop it in that jar, leave about an inch gap between the lid and the water, put the lid on and let it sit. The warmer the climate, the faster it will go. In this case, in 4 days at about 90-degree weather, it was perfectly clean, and I mean nothing left on this skull. Rinse it real good, then I put a whole cup of peroxide in there, whatever you can get your hands on, and then at the desired color of whiteness, pull it out, rinse it, dry it, glue all the teeth back together, and there you go. How cool is that little skull? I hope this helps.